Hello everyone. Uh, I want to share a little project of mine. The ones who are not uh, in following me on Facebook, maybe you think this is interesting. Maybe not. I don't know. I have built some constant flow wicking beds in my what I call wannabe greenhouse. Wannabe because it's not a real greenhouse. It's just a structure. Um, I don't know if you're familiar with the wicking beds. Um, it's uh, it's those containers. In the bottom there's a water reservoir. On the top there's soil, sand and soil, and the plants are in there, and they can get the water from below. This is constant flow because it's a closed loop. You have here the water reservoir. There's a pump in there. It pumps the water to the first wicking bed, and then it flows into the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth, and then it goes back through this long grey tube over there, back to the water reservoir, and then the cycle continues again. So it's water efficient and little evaporation because the water is down below. The soil is always moist, so you don't get any problems with, for example, with the tomatoes, that they burst because suddenly they get a lot of water and then very little again. So let me show you what we have. In the first one, okay, the salad, lettuce is going to seed, so that's nice for next year or next time. There's carrots in between, onions, and tomatoes, of course. We like tomatoes. There's the honeysuckle. I want to grow them along the side to have flowers and green and a little bit windbreak for the plants. Then in the second we have the cucumbers, we have the courgettes, onions, and carrots again. Pepper here on the left side. So, and then we get to the third. We have strawberry here in the front. Another spontaneous tomato between the onions. Lettuce on the back. Courgette. And of course tomatoes. Yes, we like tomatoes. Then we get to the fourth wicking bed. There is the tomato on the left side. I've got a kiwi over there that is going good now. First it was having a little problem and losing some leaves, but I see some new buds and some new leaves, so that is going to be fine. Lettuce, onions, courgette. Then the fifth one, there is peas and watermelon and a spontaneous tomato again. So, and some more strawberries. We just planted them, so they have to grow a little bit, but it's going fine. The onions had a little bit were blown over by the wind, but it will be fine, I guess. So that's a little bit impression of my project, the wicking beds. And here on the left side there's going to be the extension. No, got some new builds, but that is they will be finished later on. First I will use the containers for the tree nursery. I've got here some peaches and some seeds planted, date palms and stuff, carrots and all kinds of trees that has to be planted later on. So I put them in here so it's easy for watering. Ah, but they will be connected to the other beds as well. This is a solitary Wickingbed, not a constant flow, and doing fine as well. So pretty happy with it. I hope you enjoyed it, and hasta luego.